Quinoa is a superfood that has gained popularity for its numerous health benefits. One of the most impressive features of quinoa is its high content of essential amino acids. Let's explore why amino acids are important and how quinoa can be a powerful addition to your diet. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins, which are crucial for almost every function in your body. There are 20 different amino acids, and 9 of them are considered essential because your body cannot produce them. You must obtain these essential amino acids from your diet. Why are amino acids important? Amino acids play several vital roles, including: they help in the growth and repair of muscles, skin, and other tissues. Amino acids are necessary for a healthy immune system. They are involved in the production of enzymes and hormones that regulate various body functions. Amino acids can be used as a source of energy when needed. Quinoa is unique because it is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. This makes it an excellent choice for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to add more plant-based protein to their diet. Benefits of amino acids in quinoa. Quinoa's rich amino acid profile supports muscle repair and growth, making it a great post-workout food. It helps rebuild muscle tissues that are broken down during exercise. The amino acids in quinoa contribute to a stronger immune system, helping your body fight off infections and stay healthy. Quinoa is high in fiber and amino acids, which aid in digestion and promote a healthy gut. Quinoa has a low glycemic index, meaning it can help maintain steady blood sugar levels, which is beneficial for energy and overall health. Amino acids are essential for healthy skin and hair. Quinoa's complete protein content can help maintain skin elasticity and promote strong, shiny hair. Quinoa is not just a trendy superfood. It is a powerful source of essential amino acids that can greatly benefit your health. From supporting muscle repair to boosting your immune system and maintaining healthy skin and hair, quinoa's amino acids offer numerous healing benefits. Start incorporating quinoa into your diet today to enjoy its full range of health advantages.